Hey, welcome back everybody. So I am back again at Shotgun Dan's, one of my favorite pizza places. And last time I had the loaded barrel, and this time I've got a new pizza, and it's called the Stampede. So the Stampede has beef, sausage, bacon, Italian sausage, pepperoni, Canadian bacon, and I added mushrooms and peppers to it. So it's a new pizza I'm trying. Of course, you can see how loaded, and it's got so many toppings on it there. It's just really thick. So give it a try real quick. Holy cow, that's a whole lot of toppings. But it is delicious, I'll tell you what. Those mushrooms, I love me some mushrooms on my pizza. So, I think I'm gonna eat a couple of slices of this, and I'll get back with y'all on the final review. I can't talk. Okay, welcome back everybody. So as you can see, I had 5 slices of pizza. That's all I could eat tonight. But yeah, I was a little bit disappointed in Shotgun Dan's tonight. The pizza came out on the cold side, and I had to get the waitress to put it back in the oven for a little bit to heat it back up for me. But when it came back out, it was good and hot. So, with all that being said, I think I'm going to give this a rating tonight of, I think I'm going to do 6 out of 10 down tonight. Just because the customer service wasn't great, the pizza was cold. But yeah, 6 out of 10. So, but I will definitely be coming back. So anyway, I know you see all the crust on my plate. I, for one, do not eat the crust off any pizza. I don't care where the pizza came from. I will not eat the crust off of it. I just don't like the crust. I think the crust is dry. There's no toppings on the crust. But anyway, that's just me. I don't eat the crust. I know there are people that like the crust. I don't. So see what. Anyway, see y'all next time. Bye y'all. Get out of here. I ain't eat that crap. I don't like it. No, I don't like it. Camera person is forcing me to eat a piece of crust that I don't like. Get out of here. Nasty.